How to redeem Duolingo promo code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can redeem Duolingo promo code. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, in your mobile device, open up any of your preferred browsers. So here I will just open up a Google. And in the search bar, you have to type in Duolingo Redeem. Now from the search results, head over to the first thing that says redeem a promotional code. So tap on it. Now you'll be taken into this page where you can redeem your promo code. There is a text box that says enter code. Tap on it and enter your code that you have. Make sure you type in the correct code, and once you're done typing the code, simply tap on redeem, and then you'll be able to redeem the Duolingo promo code. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.